Welcome to my Statistical Investigation by maxwell-davis. My investigation question is, do students in South Australia spend less time travelling to school than students in Victoria? My data was collected from the Australian Bureau of Statistics Census at School website. Here is an example of the website. Data was collected from 25 South Australian students and 25 Victorian students from all year levels. Students recorded from the time they left home to the time they arrived at school. Data was recorded in whole minutes.
The data was entered into a table, but as you can see it is difficult to interpret, so the data was then entered into an Excel spreadsheet. The sort function sorted the data from the shortest travel time to the longest travel time. The data was then used to create these stem and leaf plots. These display the data in a way that shows the highest frequency time frame for each state, with South Australia's being below 10 minutes and Victoria's being between 10 and 20 minutes. In order to be able to provide evidence for the investigation question, this column graph was created using the average time per state. This provides a great visual for comparing between two data sets. This dot plot displays each student's travel time, and as you can see the results collected from Victorian students is higher than the results from South Australian students. This plot is a great way to display two sets of data within the same graph. This sector graph was created using the average time for each state. Although you can see that Victoria has a larger portion of the pie, it is not recommended that you use this chart for this investigation as it does not show percentage. This table provides the mean, median, mode and range for both sets of data. As explained earlier, the average, which is also referred to as the mean, is higher for Victorian students. The mean can be calculated using Excel's AutoSum. The mean is the average number, the median is the middle number in a set of data, and the mode is the most frequent. It's interesting to note that even though South Australia's data contained a larger range, it still had a smaller average. We can now use all this data to answer our investigation question. The investigation showed that students in South Australia spend less time travelling to school than students in Victoria. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.